On GameClass, we've made it incredibly easy to add any video game in existence. All you need is the recorded game clip. So this recorded game clip can be on your PC, your computer, or your mobile phone. So as long as you get it from playing the video game to record a clip into your system, you can go to GameClass, hit create, and from here you have a couple options. You can upload the gameplay for a lesson. You can upload it as a student project, and keep in mind that in the home section we even have upload gameplay and upload student project buttons right here. I'm going to show you right now what it looks like when you upload a lesson. So over here is where you choose to put the recorded game clip. So hit choose file. Make sure you go to where you saved the video game clip. From there, we do require that you put a title, and we require that you put the video game. That way, we know exactly how to label it so other users can find your lesson in the public library if you post it. And we do require a subject, which all the information you input you can change. And topic makes it just that much easier for users, teachers, and students to find exactly what they're looking for. On GameClass, we have a few main subjects you can choose from. You don't have to use these, but these main subjects at the top are the only ones where we attach topics. Each one will have their own topics. So again, you can basically allow users to find exactly what they're looking for via topics. The rest are all optional. So grade levels, age groups, and description, you don't have to input these at first. Keep in mind the more information you give, the easier it is for other users to find exactly what they're looking for. Visibility by default is set to private. You should keep it private until you've built the lesson. You don't want to share something that doesn't have any educational components in it. And then right here, really, really important, we want to make sure that we keep violent games and gore and things like that away from young student minds that shouldn't see it. So by default, we always mark every clip as yes, having mature content. We do that so just in case someone forgets to check, we don't accidentally show someone who shouldn't see a violent video game. So this clip does not have any violent gameplay in it. We can hit no and then hit save. And it should only take seconds to a minute to upload clips onto GameClass. Once it's uploaded, it's super easy to find it. If you go to home, you're going to find your game clip in your home section is the very first one right here.